Hi guys, good morning. This morning Natafam ready to pick up this orange ready rip. Oh, it's very good. We will pick up one by one from its trees, and I think almost all of this orange fruit is good. Okay, we will pick other tree. Oh, we have got this. It's rip, guys. Okay, we collect this. Okay, we finish. Oh, it's good orange.